Sick of wasting time because your internet's dropping out? Businesses can lose about $5,000 an hour during outages. In this video, we're digging into what's really causing your connection issues and how to fix them once and for all. A lot of internet headaches come from outdated gear, lousy service from your ISP, and just too many people trying to use the same network. Take Cloudflare, for instance. They hit some serious slowdowns because their data center hardware was ancient, which hurt a bunch of their clients. Instead of fixing the real problems, many companies just reboot their routers and hope for the best. Spoiler alert, that rarely works. I've seen a mid-size retail company lose about $30,000 in sales in one day because they were waiting on their ISP to save them. What they really needed was to upgrade their network to handle more traffic. Another example is a tech startup that lost 45Ks in potential revenue during a critical launch window due to unreliable internet. This is the kind of mess we sort out every day at ENB Technologies, getting clients on track with their internet needs. We often find that businesses overlook basic diagnostics, like checking their bandwidth usage. For instance, if you're running a video conferencing tool like Zoom, while multiple employees are streaming video, you could be maxing out your bandwidth. Knowing how to monitor these metrics is crucial to avoid costly downtime. In fact, a study showed that 50% of companies experience significant slowdowns due to inadequate bandwidth, which can lead to lost productivity and revenue. Understanding these common pitfalls is the first step toward a more reliable internet experience. If you want reliable internet for your business, start by really digging into your current setup. Identify the weak spots or old gear that might be causing your headaches. For example, when Plaid overhauled their network, they found they were burning through about 30 kHz a month on unreliable connections. They switched to a more robust system and managed to cut costs by 15% while improving speed. Then, think about upgrading to a business-grade internet service with service-level agreements, SLAs, and redundancy options. This way, if one connection goes down, another kicks in without a hitch. Companies like AWS offer these services, ensuring minimal downtime for their customers. You also need solid network management tools in place. They'll keep an eye on performance and alert you to issues before they become a problem. For instance, a client of ours implemented monitoring tools that detected a critical failure before it occurred, saving them from a potential $200,000 loss. We see this at ENB Technologies all the time, where proactive measures lead to significant savings and smoother operations. Additionally, consider investing in a mesh network system, which can provide better coverage and reliability. Companies like Google Nest Wi-Fi have proven successful in helping businesses maintain consistent connectivity throughout their offices. By taking these steps, you can ensure your internet is not just functional, but optimized for your business needs. If your internet goes down, your business can grind to a halt. Don't wait until it happens. Take action now. For reliable help, visit ENB Technologies. They'll set you up with the expert support and IT solutions you need to keep things running smoothly.